Hello there, lovelies. It is Love is Love season, and in honour of that, you can see that Lulu has gone red. I'm here this morning to give you a flirty breakfast for you, for the one that you love, just because, to celebrate. This is all about a season of joy, excitement, pure indulgence and pleasure. So the recipe itself is really simple, really straightforward, but this is what I call my flirty breakfast. So you have your tray, and I would choose something that's really nice, really decorative, because this is about making yourself or someone else feel really special. And we've got a lovely waffle to go as the base of our breakfast. You can also see that I am wearing something that makes me feel really good. Any time is a good time for a corset, so feel free to wear something that's gonna add to your flirtatious vibe. Okay, so I've got some gorgeous rose petals, so I'm just gonna sprinkle those all around. So now we're starting to have a really lovely, gorgeous flower arrangement in our tray. Okay, you can go as crazy as you want, or you can go simple. It's entirely up to you. But I like to have a bit of greenery amongst my flowers, and we're going to add to this as well. First thing, bit of ice cream. This is all about luxury, indulgence, and you can have any ice cream that you like, vegan, non-vegan, it's all good, any particular flavour, but I would advise vanilla because of the toppings that you're going to put on. So if you can't quenelle, that's all good. It's all made with love, and that's the thing that matters. Let it soften a bit, and then you can mould it into a particular shape if you want to make it chefy. You get a nice generous helping of ice cream on there, and let's decorate it with some berries, and this is going to cut through the richness of the ice cream. And I like to use frozen fruit because by the time that you get upstairs it'll still be nice and cold, and if you want to spend some time in the morning to yourself or with someone else, it'll still be nice and cold by the time that you're done saying good morning. I've chosen fruits that are forest fruits because you get a lovely range of colours. So I've got some red currants in here, I've got some blueberries and black currants, and that tartness is going to be absolutely gorgeous through the sweetness of that ice cream and through the sweetness of your waffle. And once you're done decorating with the gorgeous fruit, you can see that now the colours are starting to be picked out by all the lovely flowers. The last thing you need to do, really, really simple, is use some of my Pike's Pear Compote, which is seasonal pears mixed with cardamom. There's a really nice spicing in there, so all you got to do is just pour that gorgeousness all over, and that's going to really lift those berries and really lift and cut through that ice cream. So happy flirty breakfast, welcome to Love is Love season.